Hey guys, this is Ruhi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is crunchy McDonald style French fries. Let's quickly get into the recipe. Peel medium sized potatoes. Wash this and cut into thick slices. Now cut this into stripes. After cutting, put them in water. I have a French fries cutter, so for remaining potatoes I am using this cutter. You can see how easily we cut these French fries. Wash this in water to remove the starch. Wash one more time in another bowl. Now add these potatoes in a boiling water and boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Add salt as per your taste. After 5 minutes, remove the potatoes and place it on a cloth. This cloth absorbs the moisture of the potatoes. Now cover this with a cloth and let the moisture absorb completely. Now take the French fries in a plate. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix until all the potatoes are well coated with the corn flour. Now fry this in a hot oil. Fry for 1 minute. Make sure you fry this for only 1 minute. Repeat the process for the other fries. If you want to store these French fries, you can store this in a Ziploc bag and keep it in the refrigerator. So whenever you want, you can remove from the freezer and you can fry. You can store this for a week. So this I kept in freezer for 2 hours. And now I am going to fry this in a hot oil. To the same oil, I am frying these French fries. Frying for second time will give very crispy and crunchy French fries. Fry this until it turns golden brown in color. Sprinkle some salt on top of it, chili powder and some oregano. This is optional. Enjoy crunchy, crispy McDonald's style French fries. I am sure your kids will love this. Friends, if you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. Do try this and post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications.